Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Wednesday live session. Very erratic opening today. You can see couple of times markets have burst on upside as well as on the downside. Let us quickly go into the Nifty chart to begin with. Well, this is the Nifty chart. Opened today at around 17,890. It has broken again yesterday's lows, but from there on it very quickly went to 18,065 and once again came down and now trading at 17,991. So the next buying might happen at around 18,065 if it goes up, or if it comes down to the today's low of 17,890, again there might be a buy in this counter. So this is the chart of Nifty. On a intraday time frame, looks little erratic, but my feeling is this is the stock or this is the counter that needs to be on the long for tomorrow's expiry. We will also look into the Bank Nifty. Very similar chart of Nifty. Opened at around 41,880, again broke yesterday's low of 42,000 and went down in one single candle. It went down to 41,880. From there on very quickly moved to 42,475 and again came down to the levels of 42,160 and again now trying to breach the highs of 42,475. There is a buy at 42,460, or if it comes down there is also a buy at 41,880. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. Mostly there is some buying action happening in the banking stocks. We will see what's happening with other banking stocks. This is the chart of Axis Bank, trading now at 951, opened at 947, went up to 959 and now trading at 951. Let us see Bank of Baroda. Very similar to Bank Nifty chart. Opens at 177, goes to 182, comes back a little bit, again tries to break out and goes up to 183, again comes down, and will it by the end of the day close above 182.35 is what needs to be wait and watched. This is Bank of Baroda. Bandhan Bank also showing some buys on the breakout above 247, currently trading at 243. The second half of the day might trigger some buying action in most of the banking stocks because Bank Nifty already showing a buy signal and hopefully other banking stocks will start supporting them soon. So this is the Canara Bank, currently trading at the breakout level of 319, 320 levels. It has already once tried the breakout at 319, went up to 321, again it has come down and now once again it is trying to break higher. It is trading towards the day's high. Even the Bank Nifty also is trading towards the day's high, currently trading at 403, 42,403. So let us look into HDFC. Yes, breaking above 2615. Most of the banking stocks are in general trading towards the day's high and now giving a breakout towards the day's high. Hopefully next 2 hours the closing session will be good for banking stocks. Let us look into HDFC Bank. The same story going on. Breakout at 1600 is now once again being attempted for the breakout above 1600. Hopefully if the volumes build at these levels, then I am sure there is going to be some amount of buying at 1600 also. So this is HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank trading at 875. The second candle high has been at 875 and now trading at 871. After that not much movement, so there is no immediate buy signal there. Let us look into HDFC. ICICI General Insurance quoting at 1247, buying signal being shown at 1251. ICICI Prudential Life, quoting at 466, opened at 463, went up to 468. Very small movement. This is kind of sideways movement today. Only on the breakout above 466 is where you can see some buying, or breakdown below 463 is where you can see some buying. Kotak Bank, not much happening there. 1806, opened at 1790, went up to 1811, and now trading at 1806. M&M Finance, currently quoting at 236 towards the day's high of 237, but immediate breakout is only about 238.5, or if it comes down to day before yesterday's low of 231. RBL Bank made one high at 182.95, came down, and now again trying to break above 182.95, currently trading at 182.5. Currently in the downtrend for last 2 days. This phase, if it goes up, then I would say there is a breakout chances. Shriram Transport Finance, 1333 is the day's high, currently trading at 1317, moved up from 1309 today, but still not much buying visible in this particular stock. SBI made a high of 601, had opened from 592, went very quickly to 601. From there on, it is languishing at around 597. Anytime there might be a big push towards 601, and there might be good buying happening. These are the banking breakout stories today going on. So do not take lightly the banking breakouts on intraday charts. When there is the first signs of reversal in the banking stocks is on the intraday time frame. Today we are seeing that. Tomorrow there is a second weekly expiry, but I think, like, today itself there will be some amount of breakout in most of these stocks. If you see IndusInd Bank currently trading at 1217, if you see 1208 on this stock, you can go ahead and buy, or if it breaks about 1242 also there is a buy. So this is, banking stocks are in a phase where either on breakout or at the support levels can be bought into. Bank Nifty, you can see the chart here, opened lower, went higher up to 42,475, came down, again attempted 42,475, again came down, and now trading towards the day's high but not having enough push. It should reflect in terms of volumes. Probably later in the day it might reflect in terms of volumes. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. We will once again look into the Nifty trying to once again come up, but far away from the breakout level of 18,065. Pharma stocks, Auro Pharma towards the sell levels of 448 towards the day's low, now quoting at 449.75. Biocon also going in the downtrend. Yesterday it was slightly on the higher side, but today it has broken down and it might go further down. Watch out for certain levels and then trade in Biocon. Cipla also breaking down and going lower and trading lower for the day. Divi's Lab again opened at around 35.05. From there on 34.20, almost I would say 90 rupees movement on the downside. Continuous red candles are visible. Watch out for this stock. Divi's Lab also looking weak. All the pharma stocks are looking weak. All the banking stocks are looking for buying. This is the chart of Dr. Reddy showing some support at 3505, which has been taken out and come down to 4280 levels. Glenmark again looking weak, trading below the support of 427, currently trading at 426, opened at 434. From there on it has been on the downward spiral. Sun Pharma is bucking the pharma industry's trend today. He is quoting at 1030 compared to last few days high. It is doing well today with volumes. Watch out for this particular stock. on the hourly candles also is trading at the higher levels. Torrent Pharma, not much happening there. So this is the story of pharma stocks in general looking slightly weak. Biocon 251 has broken the support of 255. Cipla trading lower at 1053. Divi's Lab trading lower at 3440 on the hourly charts. So this is Divi's Lab for you. Let us look into some Tata Group stocks on an intraday time frame. Tata Chemicals opened higher at 978, came down to 966 and again now trading towards the day's low. This is the chart of Tata Chemicals. Tata Consumers trading higher at 1384. Tata Consumers tanked to 762, opened around 772 and is already 10 rupees down. Uneven movements anyway for last few days. Today there is some good trend emerging. Tata Motors might cross 421. If banking stocks do well, Tata Motors also might break above. There is not much volumes today compared to yesterday's unusual volume of 20 million shares in the very first candle. After that it has been flat and today also is been trading in a very small price range. Watch out for the levels. Tata Power quoting at 207. Tata Steel quoting at 118. Looks like there is some weakness developing, and if you see Tata Steel trading below 118 you can go short on an intraday time frame. This is the chart of TCS quoting at 3558 after the results. It has been like let us look into the daily charts on TCS. This was the results day candle. It made a high of 3515, which means it cut the highs of December. From 1st of December 3499 to 3173. From there good pullback, and on the result day it again goes to 3515 and gets sold into, you can see again it is trying to make a pullback. Probably this is going on with good volume, so probably once again it will cross 3515 and it I think is a story to be looked out for this month. IT stocks can do well this month. This is the TCS currently quoting at 3350 levels, can be a stock to be bought on the long side for 1 month time frame. So this is with respect to today's stock levels. In case you have any query on any of the stocks, you want to know the targets or stop losses or the entry levels, you can put in the chat box. We can help you with the proper entry levels or proper stop losses. In case you are liking the contents that is being produced out of Banao Bharat's team, then you can subscribe and share the channel to many other traders. If you want to learn how to go about doing the trading activities, you can join for the Trading for Living program. We will once again meet tomorrow Thursday being the expiry day. We will see how the price action pans out. We will once again meet tomorrow, hopefully in the morning session itself. Let us see tomorrow at 9:30. Until then, Om Swasti.